Hi friends, welcome to VB Ayurveda. Today we are going to discuss about the Osterogas and their treatments. Now look at Osterogas. Their numbers, according to Acharya Vakpada and Sharangdara, it is of Osterogas are 11 in numbers, and according to Acharya Susruta and Bhavamisra, Osterogas are 18 numbers. First Osteroga which we are going to discuss is Kanda Kandoshta. Its logo is Tatra Kandoshta Itikto Vadenoshto Didakrida. It means that Kandoshta is caused by the Vada. And here the lips are split into two parts. And in modern it is correlated to hair lip. Now look in the treatment of the Kandoshta. Here the lips are split into two. So first we want to do Abhyanga, Svedana and Lagana wants to be done. Lagana by Lagana there will be wound formation take place. That wound wants to be sutured at the two ends. Here Abhyanga done with the oil cooked with the Yashti, Jyotishmati etc. drugs, and Nasya done with the oil which is cooked with the Vadakna Patra and Madhuraskanda drugs. Next is Oshtakobas. They are Vadaj, Pittaj, Khabaj, Sannipadaj, Rektaj, Mamsaj and Medaj. One more is Shadaja Oshtakopa. There are only three Asadhya Rogas in the Oshtarogas. They are from the Oshtapragobas. They are Sannipadaj, Rektaj and Mamsaj. These are Asadhya Oshtarogas. Now the first one is Vadaj Oshtapragopa. Its logo is Oshtakobetu Pavanat Stabdav Oshtau Maharujau Dalyadhe Pariphadyade Parusha Asida Karkashav. Now look into its meaning. Vadaja Oshtakoba, it is caused by Pavanat, means Vada dosha, and lips become Stabda, means rigid, and there will be severe pain, Maharuja, and that pain will be like Dalyade Paripadyade, means splitting and bursting type of pain. Lips become Parusha, means rough, and Asida means black in color, Karkasha means dry. Its treatment, Piju, it can be done by the cotton soap which is soaked in the Mahasneha, which is cooked by the Devadupa, Madhujishta, Guglu, Amradar. And you can do Pradisarna with Mahasneha and Yashtya Churna. And also Nadisveda you can do by the milk which is boiled by the Eranda Belva, tender leaves. And you can also do Nasya Murda Tarpana. Murda Tarpana means Shiravasti. That's it. Next is Pittoshtagobam. Pitta Tikshna Asaho. That means it is occurs due to the Pitta dosha and it is Tikshna. Asaho means intolerant to touch. Next is talking about the eruptions. That will be Pidav, yellowish in color, Sarshavagradi, resembles like mustard seed, and it will be Bahukleda means full of fluid, and Ashupago means it will very quickly suppurate or ulcerate quickly. Next is we are talking about its treatment. We can do Jalavagavarjana means Raktamokshana by putting the leeches, and we can do Pradisarna. Pradisarna here we can use the Shidara Dravyas like that, and we can also treat it like Pitta Vidradi. Pitta Vidradi treatment can be done here. And the next is Kaboshtagova. Kabat Punha, it occurs due to the Kaba dosha. Shida Asaho, intolerant to the cold, it will be heavy. Shuna means swelling. Savarna Pidaga Ajito means eruptions have color of the lips itself, and its treatment is Raktamokshanam, and the Pradisarna can be done here also. And the next we can do Dhumanam, Kabhara Dhumanam can be done, and the Kabhara Nasyam can be done, and we can also Kabhara Gandusha also be done. Next is Sannivada Oshtakova. Sannivada Anegava. Here eruptions are so many, and the discharge may occur that will be slimy discharge and foul smelling. Agasman Mlana means sometimes become lusterless. Samshuna means severe swelling, and Rujo means pain. Vishamapagi means here ulceration occurs but in irregular fashion. Sometimes may be ulcerate or not like that. Next is treatment is asadhya. The next is Raktaja Oshtakova. Raktova Srishtau means it occurs due to the Rakta, and Rudiram Sravada means bleeding occurs. Next is we are talking about the color of the blood. Shonida Prabha. It will be like Karjura Sadarshan, like a Karjura fruit. Chatra Shine Rakte Arbadam Bhavit. After the blood shedding, there will be formation of the tumor, and its treatment also asadhya. Next we are talking about the Mamsaja Ostakova. Mamsa Pindobamam means there will be hard stout muscle like that, and there will gradually in severe condition there will be manifestation of krimi also can be seen, and this treatment is also asadhya. Next is Medaja Ostakova. Tailava Shaidu. There will be swelling, oily swelling which is moist, itching and in soft, and its treatment is we can do Swedanam and Bhedyam, and also can be done Agnikarma and Pradisarna by the drugs. The next is Shadaja Ostakova. It occurs due to the injury or Abhighadaja. Here the lips you can find fissures or so many cracks on the lips. If you left untreated this, then there will be swollen and itchy on the lips. And the next its treatment. Here you can do Pittahara Chikitsa, Leghanam, Sevanam can be done, Pradisarna and Bandhana. Then the last one is Jalarbudam. Jalabudvat means here the eruptions are like water bubbles, and Vada Kabat means it occurs due to Vada and Kava. It is known as Jalarbudam. And here the treatments are based on Uttana and Gambhira, means eruptions are superficial or deep. When the eruptions are superficial, then we want to do Garshana using Kshaudra, honey and Tikshna Dravyas, then Bhedana, Dosha Nirharana. In Gambhira you can do Sharakarma and Agnikarma. Thus completed our Oshtagovas. Thank you.